Jai Shri Gurudev. So in last class we already discussed about matrix method problems. Okay. So some other problems. Okay. Theory related matrix method problems. How you can transform it to the equations. Then you can solve. How you can solve the equation? See, I will explain it. This is a question. The cost of 4 kg onion. The cost of 4 kg onion, 3 kg wheat and 2 kg rice is 60 rupees. Okay. And second, the cost of 2 kg onion, 4 kg wheat and 6 kg rice is 90 rupees. Okay, this is another scenario. The cost of 6 kg onion, 2 kg wheat and 3 kg rice is rupees 70. Okay, different way. Okay, is equals to 70 rupees. Find the cost of each item per kg by matrix method. Okay, cost of each item. See here, how many items are there? Here we have 3 items. One is onion, second one is wheat, third one is rice. So three items are there. So you have to find the cost of each item per kg by matrix method. Okay. So here, that's why for solution purpose, let the cost of the onion, wheat, rice be denoted by x, y, z. Where I am considering x as a cost of the onion, y as a cost of the wheat, and z as a cost of the rice per kg. So rice cost of the onion wheat per kg. Okay. So we can write like this. Okay. So therefore, according to the given condition we have, so we can write the equation. How it will be? I will tell. See, onion means x, wheat means y, rice means z. Okay. So 4x plus 3y plus 2z is equal to what? 60. So this is the first equation, 60. Okay na? Next we will move to the next one. See, 2 kg onion, so 2x plus 4 kg wheat, 4y plus 6 kg rice, 6z is equal to what? 90 rupees. Okay. Next, last one. See this one. The cost of 6 kg onion, 6x plus 2 kg wheat, 2y plus 3 kg rice, z is equal to what? 70 rupees. So like that, we have to write the 3 equations. Already told how to solve this type of linear equations by using the matrix method. Matrix method use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೆಂಗೆ solve ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ already ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ last video. So I will tell another time. Okay. If you have any doubt, ಯಾರಿಗಾನ doubt ಇದ್ರೆ so solve by using this problem. Okay. ಈ problem use ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ಇನ್ನ ಏನಾನ doubts ಏನಿದ್ರೆ so clarify the doubts. Okay, my dear students. So these are the equations. You have to solve these equations x, y, z. You have to solve the x value, y value, z value. Why? Because x is nothing but the cost of the onion per kg, y is the cost of the wheat per kg, and z is the cost of the rice per kg. So have to calculate the x value, y value, z value by using the matrix method. Already told in last video. So if you have any doubt, go through that video also. So I will tell this also. Okay. See. So this is the equation. These are the equations. The system of equations can be written in the form of okay, in the form of ax is equals to b. So already told now. So this procedure. So where a is equals to a number, where a is equals to how to write the a matrix already told now. First equation, second equation, third equations. Coefficients of x, y, z. 4, 3, 2, 4, 6, 2, 3. This is a matrix. B matrix. Say x matrix, x, y, z. Okay. So B matrix is equals to what? B matrix is nothing but constant 60, 90, 70. 60, 1970. So like that, first you have to write all the matrices. Okay, so like that, first you have to write the A, B and X. This is X is unknown matrix, B is the constant matrix, and A is the coefficients of X, Y, Z. Okay, next step is what? So you have to calculate the determinant value, det A. So det A calculate ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, so det A. So det A is equals to 4 into first row. 4 into 4 lies in first row, first column. So eliminate first row and first column. 4, 6, 2, 3. 4, 6, 2, 3. Okay, minus second one. Minus 3. 3 is there. Second one minus 3 the whole. 3 lies in where? First row, second column. So therefore eliminate first row and second column. 2, 6, 6, 3. 2, 6 are 6, 3. 2, 6, 6, 3 plus 2 into. So 2 lies in where? First row, third column. So therefore 2, 4, 6, 2. So like that, first you have to write. Okay, so I will simplify. How to simplify this? Is equals to 4 into 4 3 ja 12 minus 6 2 ja 12. Okay, plus minus 3 into 3 2 ja 6 6 6 ja 36 plus 2 into 2 into 2 2 ja 4 minus 4 6 ja 24. Okay, see, like that first we have to write. So simplify it. 4 into 12 minus 1 0 minus 3 into 6 minus 36 minus 30 plus 2 into 4 minus 24 minus 2. Okay, 4 into 0 minus plus it will become 30 minus 2 minus plus 3 3 is 9 90. So 90. Okay, minus 1. So 2 2 is 40. 2 into 20 40. 90 minus 40 is what? 90 minus 40 is equal to 50. So this is the det value. Det value is equal to what? 50. Det is equal to 50 ಬಂದಿದೆ. Okay. So first step is over. Next we will move to the det is over now. So therefore det is not equals to 0. So det value 50 ಬಂದಿದೆ. So therefore it is not equals to 0. Not equals to 0 means A is non-singular now. A is non-singular. So therefore A is non-singular. So therefore A inverse exists. A inverse ಅನ್ನೋದು exist ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. A is non-singular. Okay, A inverse exists. Okay, so A inverse exists ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. A is non-singular. Then you can easily calculate A inverse now. So what is the formula for A inverse? A inverse is equal to 1 by det A into adjoint A. N by det A into adjoint A. Det A already calculated. Had to calculate the adjoint matrix. Okay, so how to calculate the adjoint matrix? I will tell. Please listen. Okay, so here adjoint matrix I calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. So adjoint matrix, adjoint A is equal to, see how to calculate the adjoint matrix. So this is the A matrix already written there. Okay, not visible, that's why I wrote here. Okay, now adjoint matrix na calculate ಮಾಡೋಣ. Already so many problems done related to the adjoint matrix now. See, adjoint matrix is equal to, tell me how to solve this one. So 4 is there. So 4 lies in first row, first column. So eliminate first row and first column. 4 6 2 3. 4 6 2 3. Okay, so determine next second element, this one. First row elements had to write in first column. 3 na 3 ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? first row second column. So 2 6 6 3. Here 2 6 6 3. Second one is over. Next we will move to the 2. This 2. First row, eliminate first row, third column. 2 4 6 2. Okay, over. This one over. Next first row written in first column, over. Next we move to the second row. 2 lies in where? Second row first column. So remove second row first column. 3 2 2 3. 3 2 2 3. Okay. Next this one 4. Second row second column, eliminate. 4 2 6 3. 4 2 6 3. Okay, next this one 6. 6 lies in second row third column. 4 3 6 2. 4 3 6 2. Okay, this one. Next we will move to the last row. Okay, 6 2 3. 6 lies in where? Third row first column. 3 2 4 6. 3 2 4 6. Next this one 2 lies in third row second column. 4 2 2 6. 4 2 2 6. Next last 3 lies in third row third column. 4 3 2 4. 4 3 2 4. Okay, so like that I had to write. So I had to write the minus plus So minus and plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus. Okay, so now we have to simplify. So how to simplify? I will tell you. See. So how to write this one adjoint matrix? I will write here itself. Okay, is equals to 4 3s are 12 minus 4 3s are 12. So I will write otherwise write here. See, adjoint A is equals to 4 3s are 12 minus 6 2 is 12. So 12 minus 12 0. I will write here only. Okay. So like this also that one 0 over. Next 3 2s are 3 3s are 9 minus 2 2s are 4. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 is what? 5. So therefore 5. Okay. Minus is there, minus 5. Next. See next 3 6 are 18 minus 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 18 minus 8 is 10. So 10. Over. Next 2 3s are 6 minus 2 3s are 6 6 6 is 36. 6 minus 36 minus 30. Next 4 3s are 12 minus 4 3s are 12. 6 2s are 12. So 12 minus 12 0. Okay, so like that I have to calculate. Okay, next I will move to the next steps. This one, next this one. 4 6 are 24 minus 2 2s are 4. 24 minus 4 20. Next 2 2s are 4 minus 4 6 are 24. 4 minus 24 minus 20. 4 2s are, so here mistake 4 6 are 20. One second. 6 2 3 is 6 2 3 is 6 6 6 36 minus 30. Now minus will become plus, so this one plus 30. Okay, next 3 3 is 9 minus 4 5 minus 4. This one okay. 4 6 are 24 minus 4. 24 minus 4 minus is there, so minus 20. This one minus 20. Okay, next. So 2 2s are 4 6 are 24. 4 minus 24 minus 20. Okay, next. Minus of 4 2s are 8 minus 6 3s are 18. So 8 minus 18 minus 10 minus plus 10 plus 10. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16 minus 2 3s are 6. 16 minus 6 are 10. So like that we have to calculate. This is called the adjoint A matrix. Okay na? So adjoint A matrix na calculate ಮಾಡಿ. So you will get the determinant for 1 mark, adjoint for 2 marks. Okay. Next we will move to the formula is there no A inverse calculate ಮಾಡಿ. So A inverse is equals to formula already know 1 by det A into adjoint A. So here A inverse is equals to what is the formula? A inverse is equals to 1 by det A into adjoint 1 by det A into adjoint. So det A already calculated now 50 will be. So 1 by 50 into adjoint A. Adjoint A is what? This one. 0, 0, minus 5, 10, okay, 30, 0, minus 20, minus 20, 10, 10. Okay, so like that we have to write first. Okay, next one formula is there. So Ax is equals to B. If Ax is equals to B implies x is equals to what? A inverse into B. Formula is there no? X is equals to A inverse into B. So therefore x is equals to A inverse is this one. So 1 by 50 into 0, minus 5, 10, 30, 0, minus 20, minus 20, 10, 10. Okay. Into B. So B is this one 60, 90, 70. So 60, 90, 70. Okay. So like that we have to write. Okay. See. Next multiplication. So 1 by 50 into. Okay. So first row, first column. So 0 into 60, 0, minus 5 into 90, minus 40, 450. Okay, 10 into 70, plus 700. 700. Divided. So next, second row, first column. 3 6 8. So 1 8 double 0. Okay, 1 8 double 0. Next 0 into 0, 20 into 70. Okay, 14 minus 14, 1 4 double 0. 1 4 double 0. Okay, next this is third row, third column. Third row, first column. Minus 20 into 60. This is minus 20 into 60. 12 into 0 0, 2 zeros. 10 into 90, 900 plus 900 minus plus 700. Okay. So this is the 1 by 50 into okay 700 minus 450. So 450 18 minus 14 no. So 400. This one 900 plus 700 is what? 1600. 1600 minus 1200. So 400. So this one. Okay. So 0 0 0 will cancel. So 5 9s are 5 8s are 5 8s are 5 8. So this is the answer. Okay. Sorry, here one correction. 700 minus 450. 700 minus 450 is equals to 250. So 250. So therefore 250 divided by 50. So it is equals to 5. So therefore 5. 5 8 8. So therefore x y z matrix. X matrix. So therefore x is equals to what? 5. Y is equals to what? 8. Z is equals to 8. So therefore the cost of the onion x is equals to 5 rupees per kg. Cost of the wheat, okay, 8 rupees per kg. Cost of the rice per kg, 8 rupees per kg. Okay, so like that you have to calculate. So this is the procedure. First you have to calculate. What is the procedure? First you have to calculate matrix, A matrix, X matrix and B matrix. Next determinant value you have to calculate. Next you have to find the adjoint A is very important. After calculating adjoint matrix, you have to know the formula. A inverse is equals to what? 1 by det A into adjoint A. So 1 by det A into adjoint A formula is there. By using this one, you have to simplify. So another formula is there. If Ax is equals to B, x can be written as A, x is equals to A inverse into B. No. So simplify. So you can use calculator also. Calculator use ಮಾಡಿ. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So you will get the fast results. So check ಮಾಡಿ. So ಇವಾಗ one important concept I will tell. See here x y z ಬಂದಿದಲ್ವಾ, whether it is right or not, how we can know, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ substitute these values in any one equation. See one equation ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. So question ನೋಡಿ. So 4x plus 3y plus 2z is equals to what? 60 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು 4 5 20 plus 3 8 24 8 2 60 60. So therefore 20 plus 20 40 44 44 plus 6 44 plus 6 44 plus 6 50 50 60. So this is right. Okay, like that first you have to verify. After lastly you have to verify like this. If correct answer means this is correct answer means verification will be correct. Verification means what? LHS RHS will be same will be. So any one equation you take, any one equation substitute it. Okay, verification agutte. Okay na? So this is the procedure. So this is the procedure you have to calculate. So x y z. Okay, very important for the main examination, my dear students. This is 5 marks question for the main examination. Okay, be careful and please practice more. Okay. So my dear students, so do these two as a homework. Okay, so already so many problems given for homework. Okay, 11th problem, 12th problem, 13 14 15 given. So 15 see 15 13 14 12 13 14 given. So this is the 11th problem. Okay, so 11th problem is a homework. 2x plus y plus z is equals to 1, x minus 2y minus z is equals to 3/2, 3y minus 5z is equals to 9. Okay, so here students they are feeling some difficulty. Why? Because here x coefficient is 2, so 2 they will write 2 1 1 2 1 1. So y coefficient 1, z coefficient 1. Okay, next here x coefficient is 1, z coefficient is minus 2, y coefficient is minus 2, z coefficient is minus 1. So minus. So here x coefficient, what is x coefficient? There is no x coefficient. That's why we have to write if x coefficient is not there, means x illa antandre we have to write 0. So 0, x is not there. That's why we have to take 0. So ella nagli x illa andre first 0 bariye, y not there means second one 0 bariye, z is not there third one 0. So this is a technique. Okay, guttitkolli. Okay, y coefficient 3, z coefficient minus 1. Like that we have to frame a matrix. A matrix frame ಮಾಡಿ get A. So adjoint A, next A inverse, next x is equals to A inverse into B. So calculate according to the formula. So you can easily solve the problem. Okay, next we will move to the next. How to solve this one? 15th question. If A is equals to 2 minus 3 5. Okay, 3 2 minus 4 3 2 minus 4 1 1 minus 2 1 1 minus 2. So find A inverse. So you know how to find A inverse now. A inverse is equals to 1 by det A into adjoint A. Formula is there. Det A calculate the det A and adjoint A calculate first A inverse. After that one you have to using the system of equations. ಈ system of equations use ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು solve according to matrix. Solve ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Why sir again that one this one 5 marks question so many no ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. So this is nothing but ಏನು ಬರ್ತೋ ಸೇಮ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ. So ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 minus 3 5 2 minus 3 5 3 2 minus 4 3 2 minus 4 1 1 minus 2 1 1 minus ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. B ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ 11 minus 5 minus 3 x ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ is x y z column. Okay, according to that one ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಮಾಡಿ det ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. ವೈ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ det ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಅಬೋವ್ ನೋ ಸೇಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ det is equals to something what we calculated. ಏನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. adjoint ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಸೇಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ adjoint. ಓಕೆ ಏನೋ ಡೋಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ again all write only answer adjoint. next A inverse ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಸೇಮ್ ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ A inverse again. A inverse is equals to what is the answer. Next procedure you have to follow the same as above. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ವಾ x is equals to ax is equals to b, x is equals to a inverse b, a inverse calculate ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, substitute a inverse into b. b is what sir? 11 minus 5 minus 3. So multiply ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ multiply ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ you will get the answer x, y, z. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆಗಲಿ, ಇದು ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಸಿ ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಡಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನೋ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್. ಸೊ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಸೊ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಪೇಪರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, so my dear students, follow these techniques. Okay, next, see my dear students, this is also one of the difficult problem, but you have to do the homework. How to solve this one? Very easy also. So how to solve this equation I will tell. So follow the rules and regulations. So here this is also by using matrix method you have to follow. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಸರ್ ಇದೆ ಇದು ಈ ಥರ ಅಂದರೆ 2/x plus 3/y plus 10/z is equals to 4, 4/x minus 6/y plus 5/z is equals to 1, 6/x plus 9/y minus 20/z is equals to 2. Okay, so ಈ ಥರ ಇದಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ you have to calculate the x, y, z values. ಸೊ ಇದರ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ನಾ, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಫಾಲೋ ಆಗಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಸೇಮ್ 2 3 10 2 3 10. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 4 minus 6 5, 4 minus 6 5, next 6 9 minus 20, 6 9 minus 20. ಸೇಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಎ ಬಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ 1/x 1/y 1/z. So why? Because here 1/x 1/y 1/z is there, no? That's why it is 1/x 1/y 1/z. Apna easy like that. B matrix is what? B matrix is 4 1 2 4 1 4 1 2. So this is the B matrix. Okay, X matrix is different compared to some other problems, earlier problems. Okay, so you daily sir is not. I will tell the procedures. Same procedure. Delta calculate the delta. Next adjoint A, same procedure. What we learned previous. Okay, ಮುಂಚೆ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. Same procedure you have to follow. Delta adjoint A inverse 1/delta into adjoint A. Calculate all these things. Okay, next Ax is equals to B. X is equals to what? A inverse B. Substitute A inverse and B. B is this one. Here X is what? 1/x 1/y 1/z. ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರೆದಿರೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ 1/2 1/3 1/4 ಬರೆದಿರೋದು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, see here 1/x 1/y 1/z is equals to 1/2 1/3 1/4 ಈ ಥರ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದರೆ 1/x is equals to 1/2, x is equals to what? 2. That's it. 1/y is equals to 1/3. So 1 1 y is equals to what? 3. Y is equals to 1/z is equals to 1/4. Z is equals to what? 4. Z is equals to like that. Very easy. Okay na? So no change in this one. ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 1/x 1/y 1/z. ಓಕೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ XYZ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸೊ ನೀವು ಈ ಥರ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕು ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ 5 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಓಕೆ, so my dear students, if you like this video means please share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubt means please comment in this below video. Okay, through WhatsApp also we can communicate, and also you can phone me. I will clarify the doubts. Okay, thank you. So write down this homework, write down this one. See, this one you have to do the homework. Okay, this is also homework. Example 29. How to solve this one I will tell you. The sum of three numbers is 6. The sum of three numbers is 6. You have taken the three numbers. First number is x, second number is y, third number is z. So you have to consider, let x, y, z be the three number. The sum of three numbers is 6. X plus y plus z is equal to 6. First one is over. First equation is over. Next, second one. If we multiply by 3, okay, if we multiply by 3 and add second number, multiply by 3 by one second. If we multiply third number by 3, multiply third number by 3, and then third number means what? Z, no? So 3z. And second number, add second number means y, so add y plus 3. To it we get 11, so we get 11. Okay, next, by adding first and third numbers, first means x, third means z number, third number, we get double of the second number. Double means 2 into y, double of second number is y, 2 into y. So like that we have to write. So ಈ equation ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ x plus x minus 2y, 2y ಆಸೆ ತಗೊಂಡು x minus 2y plus z is equals to 0. Okay, now we tell you what is the A matrix. 1 1 1. Here x is not there, that's why 0 0 1 3. Here x is equals to 1, y minus 2, z is equals to 1. So z coefficient 1. So like that we have to frame the A matrix and x matrix and constant matrix. 6 11 0 is the constant matrix. Okay, solve according to the matrix. Okay, so my dear students, please solve these problems. Very important for the 5 marks question. Okay, thank you.